How to earn through the Glam AI on the Prime package on Glamour. So as you can see, I just upgraded my package to the Prime package on Glamour. As you can see right here, it says your Glam AI is handling everything eligible for daily tasks. Now if I come over here and click on open Glam AI, you can see I just activated or upgraded my account this morning, and this is still 12:58 p.m. This is like noon basically, and I've earned over 2.05 on these activities mentioned here, which is the Glam lifestyle, the Glam script to cash, the Glam status, and the Glam cuisine. Altogether, basically, I've earned 5,000 naira without doing anything on this platform Glamour, just with the aid of this AI. So this AI is kind of a game changer for users on the platform, because right now I earn this amount of money without doing anything. So to do other taxes, which is the Glam works and the Glam dark mode, all I have to do is to come over here where it mentions Glam works, and here where it mentions Glam dark mode. So I'll click on this first one, and then I have two taxes. Now if I do these two taxes, I'll be earning 4k basically, because €1 is equivalent to 2,000 naira. So this one will give me 2,000, this one will give me 2,000. Altogether I'll be earning 4k for doing these tax, and they are simple as they can be. All you have to do is to click on them, click on one or two instructions, click on one or two instructions, and you're good to go. Now let's go back to the Glam dark mode right here. Click on it, and as you can see, this is another tax, and if I do this cumulatively, I'll be earning 6k from the trade taxes, which I'll be doing after this video. So cumulatively, added to the 5k I've already made from here, I just earned over 10,000. Okay, let's say I earned over 11,000 today from just doing simple activities on Glamour, which is massive, because half of the money I earned was strictly from the AI on Glamour. I didn't have to do any extra thing to actually earn this amount. So that's very, very massive. So that's the benefit of the Glam Prime package on Glamour. And to get onboarded on the Glam Prime package, it will cost you a one-time payment of 20,000 naira. Or if you're already a user on Glamour, you can get upgraded with a one-time payment of 6,000 naira. Immediately you do that, you get access to the Glam AI, which will enable you earn automatically on your Glamour account. Alright, so I just finished one of the tasks for today right now, and I want to claim my AI earnings. So I'll go back to my home tab. I'll click on open Glam AI. So as you can see, once you do one of the daily tasks on the Glam works or Glam dark mode, you can come over here and click on claim today's AI earnings, which is 2.5 euros, approximately 5,000 naira. So I'll do that. As you can see, 2.5 euros have been claimed. You can check over here, 2.5 euros claimed from your AI. And this 2.5 euros was made from these activities, from Glam lifestyle, from Glam script to cash, from Glam status, and from Glam cuisine. So that's where this 5k came from. Now let me go to my history. As you can see here, 2.5. So that's exactly how to do it. I'll go back to my home tab. As you can see, it has increased to 23,000 naira. So that's exactly how to do it. So that's exactly how you can earn on Glamour Prime package. See you guys in my next video. If you gain value from this video, do well to subscribe and drop a like on the video. I'll see you guys in my next update.